If you need to request a refund from Swiggy, follow these straightforward steps to ensure a smooth process. Step 1. Open the Swiggy app. Launch the Swiggy app on your smartphone or visit the Swiggy website on your computer. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Go to your orders. Navigate to the orders section, which is usually found in the menu. Here, you will see a list of all your recent orders. Step 3. Select the order. Find the order for which you want a refund. Tap on it to view the order details, including the items ordered and the status of the delivery. Step 4. Request a refund. Look for the option to report an issue or request a refund. This may be labeled as help or issue with order. Follow the prompts to specify the reason for your refund request. Step 5. Submit your request. After providing the necessary details, submit your refund request. You should receive a confirmation message and the Swiggy support team will process your request. Once you have completed these steps, keep an eye on your email or app notifications for updates regarding your refund status.